Hi and welcome to WPHub. My name is Tulisa and I'm a WordPress content creator. Today I'll walk you through how you can add a new page on WordPress and how you can add it onto the navigation menu so your users can find your content much easier and faster. This is usually the place where you add the about or the contact info on your homepage. Before we do anything else, let's install the Classic Editor plugin for a much more better and simpler look. Under plugin, you go to plugins, you say add new plugin. My Classic Editor is right over here, but if you can't find yours, go to the search button and search for Classic Editor and you will find it right over here. So what you do is you click install. After install, you say activate. And your Classic Editor will be activated. Now to install a page, go to pages, add new page, and you will see that with Classic Editor, you have your own title section and your body section. So this is where you can add your title. Just add title here. And this is where the body goes. And then if you'd like to add an image, all you do is click on set featured image. You select your file and you choose any image you would like. Just say open. And on your right hand side, you can write your alt text describing what the image is about. You may add a title onto the image, a caption, a description, and then when you're done, you just say set featured image. If you scroll down, you'll see that your featured image is right over here. And if you'd like to see it, just click on preview. And you'll see that your feature image is added over here. Now, if you're happy with that, just click on to publish. The next thing you do in order for your page to show up on your home page, you will need to add the page in your nav menu. To do that, you go to Appearance, Menus, and then you say Create a new menu. We can name this new menu Page, for example. And then we go to Create New Menu. After that, we click on the page that we want. We add to menu. We say bulk selects. You tick on the page. You go to primary menu as your display location. And then you save menu. And now when you go to your site, you should see your navigation menu. You click onto it and it will lead you to the page that's over here. And the page navigation for your new page is there. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. For more tips on WordPress, check out WPHub.com. And if you want to learn how to schedule your pages on your WordPress, check out my previous video.